back to Mama Weesie channel. Today is going to be a very interesting day. I'm starting off with done take my son and daughter to work to drop them off. Now I'm heading on to take my daughter to school, drop her off. Then after that, I'm coming back to get ready because today I am getting my vaccine for the first time. So I'm kind of nervous. I am very nervous because I don't know what kind of effect it's going to take on me. And being that my history that I already, had. So I'm very nervous. I took my daughter, got hers done, and so far she said only her arm hurted when after for a while. That was it. So for me, I don't know what's going to be become of my shot, but I'm very nervous. So I want y'all to stay tuned. I'm gonna try to take y'all along with me through this whole process because I need some support and comfort. So I need it, okay? So my Weezie Nation, I want y'all to stay tuned and say a little prayer. Okay? All right. Okay, like I said earlier, I'm finally getting my COVID vaccine shot. Like it's been out for a while, so I finally decided to go step up and get it. Because I was nervous about getting the shot, what side effects would it have on me. So, but being that I took my daughter to get hers, and they gave her, I also asked questions as well when I was in there, and they gave the side effects and things like that. It seemed like it's nothing major, it will happen. Your arm will get like a little heavy and all that. You may get a little dizzy. And also with that side effect, it says shortness of breath and stuff like that. And other than that, it should be okay. You should be okay. So, but yeah, it's still like a little nervous to me. But anyway, comment down below. Weezie Nation, comment down below if y'all have gotten a COVID shot yet. Or comment down below and let me know what kind of shot did y'all get. And also let me know if y'all got the first vaccine and went to the second vaccine, did y'all get y'all booster yet? Let me know. Comment down below. I'm going to get myself ready and go get ready because my appointment is not until 11 o'clock. So, and they tell you to be there 15 minutes early, and you have to wear short sleeves so they can be able to pull a sleeve up and give you the shot. And then you have to wait 15 minutes to make sure, everything is all right before you leave there. So, but yeah, like I say, I'm going to try to take y'all on this journey with me, okay? Because I want y'all to be there with me because I need the like I say, the support and comfort and stuff like that, and also the prayers. So, with all that being said, I'm going to go upstairs and get myself all ready and everything. And then once I do all that, I'm going to come back to y'all. So I want y'all to stay tuned and be ready to go with me on this journey. Okay. Okay, my Weezie Nation, I'm all ready. Now I'm about to go. Sorry, Tay Poppin', I'm taking your car, okay? So don't be mad with me. So I'm all dressed, got on my Lucky 7. And of course, Eagles. Big fan, and store fan of number 7. Okay, so y'all ready to go? Y'all. Are y'all ready? Are y'all there with me? Okay, first, wait. Are y'all with me? Comment down below and let me know that you was with me. Okay? So now we about to go on. Like I said, it's not that far down the street, around the corner. I don't know if you don't hear your mom say that before or hear anyone say that before, down the street, around the corner, when it's pretty far, right? But for me, for real, it's just down the street, around the corner. So let's go. I want to make y'all laugh. I told my dad that we was going to get the COVID shot, right? And he asked where we were going at. Where I'm going, where were we going at the time? Because remember, I told you I took my daughter. So I told him Walgreens. He said, y'all go anywhere to get a shot. I said, I thought it's supposed Walgreens is just like going to the doctor, you know? It's the pharmacy doctor and the pharmacy tech license to give shots. So so that's why I had to come on and tell y'all. Let me gotta concentrate on the driving. Green light. Okay, my Weesie Nation, I just pull up to where I'm going at to get my shot. Is Walgreens. So the nervousness really hitting right now. But so we're gonna go inside. Y'all ready to go? Y'all ready? Are y'all ready to go with me? Are y'all ready to go with me? Okay, let's go. Ooh, I was gonna leave it, I think not. Oh, my bun is still intact. I know Dad asked my daughter what arm she wanted in. But I think she got it in the left arm, but I think I'm gonna get mine in the right arm. Walking in. Every Walgreens is different. The music here is so loud, so I ain't gonna be able to videotape. But I'm here sitting in this room, little closet area. I'm gonna show y'all. So I'm gonna get back to y'all after I finish and let y'all know how I feel. I done get my shot. Now I'm waiting my 15 minutes. Here's my white card to carry around to let them know that I got my vaccination. Okay, my Weesie Nation, I done got the shot. I done wait 15 minutes. So far, he was saying wait 15 minutes to see if I'm gonna pass out after taking the shot. And as you can see, I'm standing. Now I'm on my way home. And yeah, I couldn't have y'all in. Well, y'all was with me, but y'all couldn't see what was going on because the music was too loud in there, and plus they had the music. So I didn't want to get no kind of copyright claim. And so I'm going to head on home. We are going home, and I'm gonna give y'all an update on what was being said to me as far as the side effect, okay? All right. Hey, my Weesie Nation, I'm home. Yeah, I made it home. So now I'm about to give y'all an update what me and the pharmacist was talking about, the person who gave me my shot. So I asked a lot of questions. I asked, right? Because I wanted to know because of my health, you know? So I wanted to know exactly the side effects that because of me having an allergic reaction to some type of medicine, and I wanted to know. So he break it down. He said I shouldn't have no type of allergic reaction like that Only thing I would probably have a soreness of the arm, and I can't lift it above my head, and hopefully, and a chill. Okay, wait. He not gonna say. He say because the shot that he got the chills and fever and all that. But he say, not me, I might be different because he know people that got the shot that didn't have no symptoms whatsoever. So I might be one of those people. So that was a good thing for him telling me that, you know. So that kind of eased my mind. So with that being said, I'm not. I still got one more vaccine to get, and then I proceed on to getting my booster shot. And by me getting all those shots, I'm not gonna stop wearing my mask. No, I'm not gonna be like some of those people that say, "Okay, I got this shot, and I'm not gonna make them wear the mask and all that." I'm gonna still wear my mask because I heard that got the shot shouldn't have it that bad than the ones who didn't get the shot. Okay, so okay, that I guess that's a good thing, I guess. But yeah, so before my arm and everything fall apart here, I'm starting my dinner. Over here you have your rice and you have some chicken drumettes. And then with the chicken drumettes, I don't know if y'all saw in my other videos, but I'm going to fry some cabbage with sausage. So y'all stay tuned. My Weesie Nation, I don't know how long I got. So if I just see the cabbage all cut up, and over there you see the Roger with. Over there you have your Roger with sausage. Chicken all done. Sausage all cut up. I'm frying the sausage in the same frying pan that I fried the chicken drumettes. You saw me put the Roger with sausage to fry in the same frying pan that I fried the drumettes. Is because it's going to give the cabbage some flavor. And also I done washed my cabbage, as you can see sitting over there ready to go inside that frying pan with the sausage. Now the cabbage is frying on down. Here is the outcome of my sausage and my cabbage. My fried sausage and fried cabbage. And here go the rice. I'm going to show y'all how to mix drink using this, the Welch's grape, and orange juice. I already got the Welch's grape in my glass. Pour some orange juice in there. Stir them both together. And see the color? I call it grape orange juice or orange juice grape. This is going to be with my dinner. Try it. It tastes good. The whole purpose of the video is I was a nervous person and I overcome my fear. So I went and got the shot. So I'm telling everyone that's looking at my video that it's okay. It's okay to be nervous. Get this shot, you know, to keep you safe and everyone around you safe, okay? So I want y'all, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you already have gotten the shot and what kind of shot did you get. For me, I'm gonna put mine in my description box so you will see what kind I got. So far, I guess I'm one of the ones that didn't have any reaction. And it's like, what? What time it is now? 7 to 5? What time it is? Huh? So it's 5 o'clock and I haven't felt nothing yet. Nothing. Okay, this concludes the end of my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Mwah.